Hey guys, let's talk about how to connect the Tapo camera to Wi-Fi. I have here a Tapo C100, but it works with any Tapo. It's super simple. You just need to take a look here and see if the camera is flashing red and green, and then it's ready for the setup. And you're gonna use a cell phone to set up the camera, okay? So let me just show here that the camera has this green LED, so the camera is working right now. So I need to reset it, right? So I just need to use a paper clip. It may vary from camera to camera, but basically here you just use the reset button, you press, you hold, and you just observe the LED here. It's going to change color. There we go, it's flashing.
Successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
There's this message that the camera is being reset. Just need to wait the camera to come back, and then it's going to start flashing red and green, and you are good to go to use your cell phone to set up, right? So still booting. There we go, now it's flashing red and green, so you're good to go. So just grab your cell phone. You can go to the Amazon, to the App Store and look for Tapo. There we go. Just make sure that you get the correct one, TP-Link Tapo. Install it and then you create an account, okay? So here I already have an account and you see that I have the cameras already here. The Tapo C200 is offline, the C100 is no longer here because it just removed, right? Then you just need to come here to the plus signal, add a device, then select the camera. In this case, it's an indoor camera. So select here and select Tapo C100. And then I just check that's blinking here, red and green, which is blinking right now. So I'm good to go. I just tap here, red and green. Here I need to find the signal from the camera, okay? It's not the Wi-Fi signal right now. We're going to enter the Wi-Fi signal later. Now you just need to look for the signal from the camera. So just come here to your Wi-Fi and look for the signal coming from the camera itself. So just look for here, wait for you to refresh. Not yet. You're gonna see Tapo Cam something. Not yet. Keep refreshing and looking. There we go. That's the one. When you tap on it, you're gonna see that changes to blue here. And then you come back to the configuration here, to the setup. Wait for it to find the camera. See this animation here. And there we go. Now you just insert the password to connect to your Wi-Fi, or you just change the Wi-Fi here, reselect and look for the one that you want. Input the password here and hit next. Confirm the password, hit next again, and wait.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, you have your Wi-Fi connected, and now you just need to rename your camera. Hit next, select the location, next here, and it's complete. It sounds good. Dismiss here. You need to insert an SD card. I have an SD card in this camera already working. Got it. And got it for the firmware update, okay? And the camera should be working now. I just put the camera here and take a look if it's working. And now I have the image of the camera. Let me just lower the volume here because the camera has a microphone there. So it's working, see? And it works pretty fine. So pretty simple. That's the way you can connect the Tapo camera to the Wi-Fi. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.